Hello, everyone. This is my latest. It is a multi religious abstract. Um, if you look closely, see if you can determine anything interesting to you. I kind of call it Ghost Cat Under the Cross. I think I'll title it that, but it's multi religious type. Uh, all inclusive. Even if you don't see something that includes you, just think of it that way. $5,000 US dollars, approximately 2 foot by, I don't know, 16 inches. It gets like 2 foot maybe by maybe 18, 16 inches. Signed, dated. Let me get it close up. Look at this. Meow. Let me get that. Is that a pyramid? I don't know. See? What's that? See? Okay. Cheers. Danke. Prost. Skål. Grazie. Gracias. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Good day, mates.